Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am showing you these gorgeous new colours that I've received from Madam Glam. They are beautiful colours, just perfect for this time of year, lovely autumn colours. So what I'm going to do is I'm popping on a set of flexi press tips onto my nails so that you can see these colours, how beautiful they actually really are. So I'm just filing the underneath of my nail here, and I'm filing around the cuticle area of the top of the nail so that it blends nicely to my natural nails. As you could see, I prepped my nail and buffed it. I'm popping down a layer of base coat which I cure for 30 seconds, and then I'm going in with a gel strengthener. I don't cure it yet, then I pop it down on the underside of my nail, and before I've cured that, then I lay the nail down onto my natural nail. So then I flash cured that, and then I cured it fully in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I'm just buffing off the shine off that nail, and then I'm going in with this gel polish. So this is We Were on a Break. Look at the colour of that gel polish, really beautiful autumn colour. It's like a little bit of a chocolate brown. Hope you can see that there. So look how that goes on. It goes on so smoothly, just really lovely. You get a complete full coverage in just 2 coats. Really beautiful. So the first coat I pop in my lamp and cure for 30 seconds. I'm just going in with the second coat here now, and look at that lovely coverage of that gel polish, really fantastic. Cure that for 30 seconds, and then I'm going in with Madam Glam's top coat, cure that for 60 seconds, and there is that nail. How cute is that? So then on my other nails I've already put the flexi press tips on, so you don't need to see that again. I've got this one here is Smelly Cat, and again it's from Friends, like the other one, We Were on a Break, out of Friends. Love that programme. So just pop down a coat of that. This is a really beautiful creamy nude colour, off-white, really beautiful colour. Just pop down 2 coats of that, cure each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in with Madam Glam's top coat, cure that for 60 seconds, wipe off the tacky layer, and there you have it. So that one is Smelly Cat. So then I've got Tastes Like Glam, again another beautiful autumn colour. So pop that down onto my nail. I went with coffin shape flexi press tips today because I fancied a change. Normally do acrylic nails when I'm showing off gel polishes, or I do swatches, but these colours were so pretty that I just wanted them on my nails, so I thought I'll get some flexi press tips on. So just going in with top coat after curing those for 30 seconds, and then I cure that for 60 seconds. So that's Tastes Like Glam. So we've got Food Coma and Tastes Like Glam. So on my ring finger I'm just popping down Food Coma on the entire nail, cure that for 30 seconds, and then with Taste Like Glam I'm going down half of that nail in that gel polish. So before I cure it, then I pop Food Coma down the other side of the nail, and then I blend those 2 colours together. So going with the vertical ombre effect. So cure that first coat for 30 seconds, and then I do the same again. Go down the middle with the clean brush, by the way, I clean the brush before I do that. Cure for 30 seconds, and then I go in with my top coat and cure for 60 seconds. So then on my little finger I'm just going in with Food Coma. So I thought I can't have a full set of nails without a little bit of nail art. So that's what I did. So 2 coats of this, cure for 60 seconds, and then I go in with my Madam Glam top coat, and then I cure that for 60 seconds. So Thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I will be doing little snippets of this on my TikTok channel, so be sure to check that out. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. I will leave you the link to these gel polishes in the description box and my discount code. Take care. Bye.